Hi there, YouTube friends. This is Lester Verano here, and you are looking at an LD30 Fenix ultra compact outdoor flashlight, which I'm going to talk a lot about today. Now, this would normally be an unboxing, but I just got home from work, and when I pulled this little package out of my mailbox, I just couldn't wait to get my hands on it. And so I will show you everything that came in the box, but it's not going to be a fresh unboxing. So this is also going to be a redemption video. I recently uploaded a video on a guard dog security flashlight that I think retailed for around $80 on Amazon. I spoke highly of it. I did a pretty full review of it. And I said, overall that it was a good flashlight. I didn't go over the top, but long story short is on my channel, I'm only trying to recommend to my subscribers and to the newcomers that come in to check out my videos the best products that you can get for the money today. And I've been out of the flashlight game for a little while, and I didn't really realize that the flashlight that I was trying to influence you to buy or consider was actually, well, compared to this one in my hand, was a piece of junk. So I truthfully took that one down to the pawn shop, got rid of it, and put the money toward this light here, which I'm going to tell you all about today. Because what I do have here is what I think is the absolute best quality flashlight you can get today for the money. So why would you want to buy this flashlight? Right out of the box, it is aesthetically beautiful. You have the copper bezel here around the battery level indicator, and copper also around the glass. So you have a bezel around the glass, and you have a bezel around the battery level indicator. Everything on this flashlight's metal. There's no plastic. Nothing feels like junk. This is a 1600 lumen flashlight. It's got 5 settings. It's got a turbo, high, medium, low, eco, and then it has a strobe and an SOS capability. So let's just take a look at what it came with in the box. So you get the lanyard, you get the light. You can get 2 versions of this light. One version comes with a battery that is specifically designed for this flashlight by Fenix. This is the 3500U 18650 battery, which I'm going to pull out of here and show you here in a second. Now that battery is needed for the battery level indicator to work. This flashlight will not take non-rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So let me just put it this way. Let's make it really simple for you. Just get the light, get the batteries from Fenix, and you will not be sorry. Now, Fenix offers 2 types of batteries for this light. They have a large battery, like I'm going to show you here, which is the 3500U rechargeable 18650 battery. And then they have 2, and then they have a version that says 2 CR123 batteries. Now, again, those, I guess, 2 smaller batteries that Fenix sells. If you buy those batteries, your battery level indicator, which is right there, is not going to light up, and it's not going to work. So there's no point in getting anything other than this battery right here. When you get the light, when you unbox it, you're going to have, when you first get it out of the box, if you buy the one with the battery in it, you're going to have a little piece of paper in here, a little sliver of paper. So don't be afraid if you hit your tail switch, which has a nice click if you can hear that. Don't be afraid if you hit your tail switch and your light doesn't come on. Just unscrew your top, take that little piece of sliver of paper out, and you'll be fine. When I screw this top on, I don't get the feel. I mean, it just is smooth as butter. I don't get the feel like it's not gonna stay on there securely, and I don't get the feeling like I'm gonna cross threads or anything like that. I could unscrew this 1,000 times and it would not feel cross-threaded or hard to screw on at all. It's extremely well made. From what I can feel here in my hand and what I can see with my eye, extremely well made. It's rated, it's IP68 rated. What that means is IP68 means this flashlight is fit to resist dust and dirt and sand. It can be submerged up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes before you have any problems with it. I start taking it apart here. You can see, I don't know if you can, the camera, you can see the O-ring right there. So you do get an extra O-ring in the box. You get the lanyard. You get your warranty card. You get your instruction book. You get a pretty basic holder for it, but it's all you really need. You can just attach that onto your belt. And then there's your O-ring that you get with it, and your warranty card, and a little bit of other information. Okay, that's it. Nothing much to the unbox. No big deal. I thought, okay, well, let's just see what the Amazon reviews say. So this thing holds up. It is sold on Amazon. It held 25 reviews on Amazon, and it held 5 stars for those 25 reviews. And on the website, the flashlight, this particular flashlight, the LD30, has been reviewed 39 times, and it is holding 5 stars there as well. The Fenix store has actually been in business since 2005. It's in Oklahoma. It's a USA-based company. They're out of Oklahoma, and I'm always in big support. I'm always really proud when I can buy my products from US-based companies. Oh, and one other thing. So the belt clip, really sturdy belt clip. Oh, no compromise there. But it looks like it's a two-way belt clip, so you can slide it through your jeans that way, or you can slide it through that way. So I hope at the very least, up to this point, you've at least got a very good visual of this light. Okay. Oh yeah, and one other thing. I did want to talk about the battery level indicator, which is right here. When you turn this on, you're going to get an indication from the light. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so we got solid red, and then the light's going to go away. Every light that you get in here is telling you something different. Now that was solid red. So green constant is full charge. Green flashing is you're sufficient, you're still okay. Red constant is it's time for a charge. And red flashing is you need to charge your battery now, your battery's going to go dead. So here's the charger that comes with the flashlight. And I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into the back of my computer. And we'll get this battery charged up. Now you can see the battery's got a USB port right in it. And when you plug this thing in, that's as far as it goes. It doesn't go any further than that. That's all the way plugged in. So let's get that plugged up to the back computer, and we'll show you how it lights up. All right, and so there it is. Pretty cool, huh? Just plug it right in and just leave it sit there until it turns green. Friends, if you've stayed with me this far in the video, thank you very much. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Now we're going to go through the modes. Just let it be known, there are 2 buttons on this flashlight. One here, which is the battery indicator light, and the tail switch right here. The tail switch simply turns the light on and off and nothing more. Everything else is controlled with this button right here. This controls every mode that the light goes into, and it controls the SOS and the strobe. So we're going to kill the lights in the apartment. We're going to totally go dark right now, and we're going to see just how bright this light is. Okay, so let's do this. So there's the light out. Okay, we're totally dark in here. I used to work night shift, so I've designed my apartment to be completely dark when I need it to. So I'm going to turn it on, and it's going to be in the lowest mode. Fire up the flashlight. You can see if we had the flashing green light there on the battery indicator light. So we're almost at a full charge. And we're just going to shine over here a little bit away from Cheva's eyes onto my couch. And this is the lowest mode. This is the eco mode. And this is 30 lumens, and you can get 70.5 hours on this mode right here. It's incredible. And that's on a full charge. We're going to bring it up to the next mode. Right there, we jump all the way to the low mode, which is 150 lumens. 150 lumens is going to give you 17 hours and 30 minutes. We're going to jump it up to the next mode, which is medium. Now we're at 350 lumens for a good solid 5.5 hours of really good light here. And we're going to jump it up another notch. This is now the high mode. Right here, we are now at 800 lumens. This will last an hour and 55 minutes. As you can see, it's super bright. I almost don't even need to have lamps on in my apartment with this light on. And the final mode, drum roll please, Sheva drum roll, or maybe just a good kitty lick. 1600 lumens. This is going to last an hour and 30 minutes. Let's jump it up. There it is. That's turbo. That is the turbo mode. Now, down here on the light, this is the button I'm pressing right here. Let's see if we can get focused in on that. This is the button that controls everything. It's also the battery indicator light. If I hold this button down, I go right into strobe mode. Excellent security feature. If anyone's ever attacking you, you have this light in your hand, you can shine this in their eyes. It'll definitely buy you some time to get away. Hold it down again, and it'll go back to regular flashlight mode. Now, if you hold it down again, we're in strobe light again. Then if you do a one click, we're in SOS. SOS. They see the SOS is in a lower lumen. And then if we do a one click again, we're back into strobe. And hold it down, and we're back into regular flashlight mode. And turbo is where we left off, but we want to get off of turbo and go back to the low mode. So there it is, folks. Thank you for being here and watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. In the next video, I'll be reviewing some Filson products that I'm really excited to get in. So stay tuned for that. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see you there. Have a good day, good morning, or good night. Bye-bye now.